The specific course today is criminal investigations. So what I teach here is from the point that a crime has occurred and an officer is dispatched and we have an investigation that needs to go out beyond the initial officer's arrival, what happens? Whether it be secluding a crime scene, securing it, rendering aid, collecting evidence, processing evidence for courts, interviewing interrogations, drawing crime scenes out, learning how to collect and preserve evidence to take to the crime lab, and preparing documentation for trial in court. We will look at all different aspects of the criminal investigation process in this course. We will do many different projects out of the classroom. Currently, we're looking at cases that talk about different types of reasoning and how officers draw conclusions. But physically, we're going to be going outside and we're going to be doing roping off crime scene areas and teaching the students how to do crime scene searches, how to do measurements to pieces of evidence relative to a fixed point. So when people look at it, they can understand what actually happened. We're going to be looking at specific types of evidence, like fingerprints and hair and fibers and blood, and learning how the characteristics of all of those affect an investigation. We're going to look at the human body. We're going to look at bugs and forensic entomology. We're going to rot some meat and collect some bugs to show how body degrades and what comes of it as a result. We're going to be making plaster cast molds of tire prints and handprints and footprints. We're going to learn how to fingerprint lift on different objects. So we'll be doing a lot of hands-on work as well as book work to understand, and then taking all that and learning how to write reports that could be submitted to court. One thing we are doing is we are getting the students certified under the Federal Emergency Management System. They are certified in critical incident commands and who's in chain of custody and how to work with other agencies in major events. So they can earn 4 different certifications online through FEMA. We're also looking at safe response, so they can get certified in blood-borne pathogen handling, how to deal with cultural diversity, how to deal with hazardous materials, and these are done through Western Central Michigan. We're also going to get them CPR AED certified. I have several students that become volunteers with the Volunteer and Police Service, which is VIPS in Cedar Lake Police Department.